Hi, my name is Bill Slack. I'm a financial advisor with First Command. I served about 27 years in the United States Marine Corps, and once I retired here in North Carolina, I settled into the nice little town of Bridgeton, North Carolina. Some of the questions that folks have asked me about going solar are, A, what's the cost? What's the return on investment? And do you notice a difference in your bills? So the answer to the third question, absolutely. I showed them the screenshot of the negative bill. Within 3 months, I actually have a negative bill and a credit that has been rolling over for a couple of months. I saw immediate results once I installed it. The second question is, what is the return on investment and the cost? So I'm a financial advisor, so I really hone in on the numbers and does it make sense? And so I used a cash pricing, which gave me a discount. I also used a military discount. And then you get the tax credit, which in essence lowered the total install cost to a very reasonable amount. And so when folks say, what's my return on investment? The way I calculated it, it's between 7 and 8 years is my return on investment. So if somebody called and asked, would I recommend Cape Fear Solar Systems? Unequivocally, without a doubt, the answer is yes. And the reason why is because from day one, the level of professionalism and customer service far exceeded any of the other companies that I attempted to work with or reached out to. And it has proven that not only after the sale and install, but even further after that, the customer service is just there.